Hi, today I am going to share with you a Supreme Court judgment between Dasrath Bhai Trikambai Patel versus Hitesh Mahendra Bhai Patel. It is a strange case where Supreme Court interpreted the expression legally enforceable debt or liability. To maintain a check bounce case, the complainant must prove to the court that there is a legally enforceable debt or liability. That is a loan or any sort of liability. That is, if the complainant provides a service or if the complainant sells the goods to the issuer of the check or the accused, then also it is a liability on behalf of the accused to fulfill towards the complainant. In this case, Supreme Court said that if part payment is made by the accused and the check is issued for the full amount by the accused, I'll put it simple. Complainant gives a loan or complainant provides a service or complainant sells goods to the accused and the accused issues a check. And if part payment is made in the process of presentation of the check at the time of maturity, and if complainant accepts that amount, that part payment or the part liability or the part debt which is cleared, then the check becomes invalid. So this happens sometimes when loan is taken and EMIs, to fulfill the EMIs, checks are issued, or to fulfill the debit mandate, checks are issued, or for auto debit process, checks are issued, or for ECS, checks are issued, or for NACH mandate, checks are issued. Along with those checks, some minimum checks, a blank check is also taken by the lenders for safety, safe side. And sometimes private financiers misuse that blank check. So the remedy here is that if the accused makes some part payments by way of an account pay transaction or account transfer transactions, account to account transfer transactions, and if that fact is brought to the court, this check becomes invalid, which is for the full amount. So check bounce case fails if the check is not, whenever the check is presented, it must be presented for the full matured amount or the legally enforceable debt or liability. It cannot be enforced for a part legally enforceable debt or a part legally enforceable liability. Then check bounce case fails. Hope you understand. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, kindly comment.